Good morning. Today we got a 1956 Chevy. This car came out of the South. It was bought by the previous owner in Alabama in 1981. There's no rust on this car. It's in excellent shape inside and out. We'll be putting it up on the lift and you'll be able to see pictures on our website. It does have the factory V8 265 205 horsepower power pack. It has been rebuilt. The Sherwood Green paint on it is in really nice shape. And the previous owner owned it for 43 years. So we'll go over this car. The front of this car, paint's really nice and clean. Chrome's excellent. You guys can see how nice and everything is up around the headlights here. The hood ornament looks great. Good tires the whole way around. The molding's nice and straight. I don't see any dents or anything in the molding. Glass is nice. No rock chips, scratches. Does have the period correct wipers on it. Drip rail's in excellent shape. It's definitely a nice clean car. Interior is really nice. It has been re-upholstered. Headliner's excellent. Interior dome light works. It is a 3 on the tree. Car runs and drives really nice. I drove this car, put probably about 15 miles on it. Door panels really nice. No deterioration. Rubber, excellent shape. Not dry rotted at all. See if the radio works. Radio does not work. It's alright. Wipers work. The e-brake does work on this car also. You guys can see the carpet's in really nice shape. Back seats are excellent. This car idles really nice. Rear quarter panel is super straight. Back glass is nice, no cracking or any deterioration in the glass there. You guys can see the taillights are working on it. Does have the trunk mat, full-size spare. Super clean underneath this mat. Super straight down the passenger side. Look how nice that chrome is. This is really a car you guys can drive it anywhere. Everything works on it. Rubber's really nice on this side also. is the original engine in this car. It's the original engine as far as we know. That's what we've been told and everything. Engine bay is really nice and clean. On the odometer on this car, it's showing 77,000 miles. So that is the 1956 Chevy that we have. We're located in Indiana, PA. We'll have lots of pictures on our website. You guys can feel free to call or text me at 724-840-3499. That's 724-840-3499. We take trades and we do offer shipping.